I'm Eric, and I'm from Charritos Mexican Grill, and this is the UA Business Spotlight. We're a family-owned business located in the Upper Arlington community. This started about a decade ago, a little bit more, and it all started as a crazy idea of mine. I always thought my mom cooked really good, and everybody, like my dad and my mom, worked at restaurants, right? So I was like, hey, well, why don't we just open a restaurant? So everything that you see here, family of ours helped us build it. We've been blessed of how supportive everybody around our family has been to us. We offer a lot of unique dishes like homemade Mexican food, more like authentic plates. Our most popular thing are the birria tacos. Those ones basically put us on the map. I'm really thankful for the connection that we actually made with the Upper Arlington community, because they're really supportive to the point where they will come try our food sometimes, and they'll be like, hey, can I book you for my son's graduation party? Or hey, can you have the food truck this day for my block party? If somebody tells me they have a budget, and I'll work around their budget, I'm just happy to do it because they were supportive towards us, and I think that's the way we can give back to the community. You know, if somebody wants to open a business, you know, it's a great community also to open a business because their support, it's like word of mouth basically. So if somebody likes you, like more people are gonna like you, you know, because your neighbor knows your neighbor and their neighbor knows their neighbor, and that's how it works around here. And if you're ever around Upper Arlington or you're around the area, you can always stop Charritos, and we'll be happy to have you in our location, and we'll serve you good food and good drinks.